Hi guys! Today we are learning how to share a calendar on iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Calendar app. You can also tap the calendar widget on your home screen if you have one. Once the app opens, you'll see all your calendars and upcoming events. Inside the Calendar app, look for the Info icon next to the calendar you want to share. Tap it to open the calendar's settings and management options. Now scroll down through the available options until you reach the bottom of the screen. Tap Add Calendar to continue with creating or managing a calendar before sharing it. On the next screen, tap Add Calendar once more. This will open the calendar setup page where you can customize and share the calendar with others. Look for the Shared With section and tap Add Person. This option allows you to invite someone to access and use the calendar with you. Enter the iCloud email address of the person you want to share the calendar with. You can also tap the ++ icon to select someone directly from your contacts if they use an iPhone and have an iCloud account. Once you've added the person, send the invitation to share your calendar. They can accept the invitation on their iPhone, and after accepting, both of you will be able to view and manage the shared calendar through iCloud. And that's how you can easily share a calendar on your iPhone using iCloud. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.